Subscribe now. Gaming laptops and battery life are like two ships passing in the night. If you want one, you typically can't get the other. But the Gigabyte Aero 15X, $2,199, aims to be the solution to that problem by offering a slim chassis and a battery that runs for over 7 hours. Pair those features with a bright display and Nvidia GeForce GTX 1070 Max-Q graphics, and you have a portable contender. But if you want a keyboard and touchpad capable of productivity work, you might end up looking elsewhere. If you were to pull out the Aero 15X on a plane, at a Starbucks or at a business meeting, no one would instantly assume that it was a gaming notebook. The laptop is sleek, thin and professional, perhaps too much so. The lid is made of black carbon fiber with Gigabyte's logo in silver, and it has a small section made to look like metal with nanolithography. Gigabyte's 15.6-inch Full HD display should look vibrant, and, more importantly, accurate, because it's X-Rite Pantone color calibrated. The panel is extremely bright and detailed. When I watched the trailer for Star Wars: The Last Jedi, I could see the tiny gears in Luke Skywalker's robot hand. The red and green lasers popped against the black sky during a heated space dogfight. When I played Middle-earth: Shadow of Mordor, I could see the wood grain patterns in an orc fortress and make out the gray and brown leather in the hero's cape. The Aero 15X uses an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1070 Max-Q GPU with 6GB of VRAM. Max-Q models are designed to be power efficient and quiet and enable a thin chassis, so you should expect performance somewhere between a regular 1070 and a 1080. When I played Middle-earth: Shadow of War, the game benchmarked at 30 frames per second at a very high preset and 1080p resolution. There was a bit of screen tearing, but nothing game-breaking, and I was able to slay orcs without a problem. With a 2.8 GHz Intel Core i7-7700HQ CPU, 16GB of RAM and a 512GB M.2 solid-state drive, the Aero 15X is a strong performer that can multitask without breaking a sweat. We tried to open 25 tabs open in Google Chrome, including a 1080p episode of Last Week Tonight with John Oliver from YouTube, and saw no lag at all. You'll still need the plug for gaming, but you'll get a solid amount of work and web browsing done without a wire on the Aero. It lasted 7 hours and 31 minutes on the laptop mag battery test, outlasting all of the competition by a wide margin.